Okay, welcome to our 15th C# tutorial video, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to change the connections properties, and then I'll show you how to open a new form from this main form we've created here. So I'll show you how to open a new form from another form, or from one form to the other. Okay, so one, we open a form and then we close the previous one, and then we get a new one, and then for another one we open a new form from the old one, and then we are not going to close the old one, we are going to show the new one, and then the old one too is also going to be there. So we are going to do maybe 3 of that, and then you understand how all this one works. So what I'm going to do here is add 2 more buttons to our program here. Okay, so let's go to our toolbox, and then let's look for a button. Let's close once more. Okay, so these are 2 buttons. What this one is going to do is we are going to use one to create a new form for to change our connection string data, and then one is going to show you how to open a new form. Actually, all the 2 is going to show you how to open a new form, but we are going to use one to test for how to open a new form. So let's just name this one open new form. Okay, open new form. And then this one is going to open another form, but then it's going to dynamically change the properties for our connection string. Okay, so we just do let's just do change data or something. Okay, so let me resize the form, and then so that everything can go here fine. Okay, actually think I have to rename this one so that you understand what this one does. Change connection string data. Okay, that one will be fine. Okay, yeah. So let me just move this a little. Okay, so everything here is fine. So next I'm going to show you how to open a new form. So in order for us to open a new form, we have to create a new form. So what we have to do is go to our project folder, right click that, and then we go to add, and then we go to new item. Okay, so when you go to new item and then it opens, we go to C# here. Okay, let's untoggle this and go to Windows application, and then we select the form. Okay, so now what we do is we name the new form. Okay, so let me just name this one as test form, and then you just go to create. Okay, so when you create, it opens a new form for you. This is the source code, and then this is the design view. We can design it as and how you want to. And then okay, so let's go back to our main form, and then let me show you how to open a new form. So we just double click this button, and then it creates an event handler for us, and then inside the event handler, that's where we are going to create how to open a new form. So in order for us to open a new form, you have to type the name of the form, and then so we name the form as test. We do test form. Okay, and then we give it a name. Let's just do FRM, and then we go to equal to new, and then new test form, and then we just close like this. Okay, so now we've initialized the test form. That's this form. Okay, so as we've done that, we have to go to the new line to open it. So we have a lot of ways you can open a new form. So let me show you the first one. So if you want to show the form without closing the main form, we do it form dot show. Okay, and then this is it. So what this is going to do is it's going to open the new form and then keep the main form too. Okay, so let's test that one out. Okay, so when you run it, okay, I think it's open already. Okay, so the design is not looking all great, but we just redesign it later on. So what we have to do here is we click this one, and then it's going to show us the new form, the new test form. Okay, so when you click the button, it does whatever you wrote here, and then it opens the new form for us without closing the main form. Okay, yes. Okay, so that one is working. Let me show you another one. And then if you want to open the new form and close the old one, you do this dot close. Okay, and then that's it. Or you can just remove the this here and just do it close like this. So this one is going to close the main form for you. Okay, and so if you read this, it tells you it closes the form. Okay, so when we run this one and then we click it, the old one, you see the old one closed and then the new one open, but then the application also closed. The reason why it's doing that is because the main form is the main application, and when you close that one, it closes the whole application itself. Okay, so mostly what some people do is they actually hide the main form. Okay, yes. So that's another way of also opening another form. And then there's another one here too we can do. So that one too is form dot show dialog box. Okay, and then you close like this. So what this one also does is it opens the new form, it keeps the main form too, but then what it does is it doesn't allow you to go to the previous form, that's the main form, until you are done with whatever you are doing on the main form, or until you are done with whatever you are doing on the new form, which is the test form, or you close it. You understand? So yes, if you let's run this one and then okay, so we are still here. When we click this one, it opens the new form for us, but when you try to click the main form, you see it doesn't give us a permission to go there, and then it gives us some kind of error sound. Yes, because you are supposed to be doing whatever you want to do here, and then when you are done, you close it, right? Okay, so that's also another way. And what we have to do is before we can click this one, we have to close this one. Okay, so when we close it, then now we have access to this one, right? Okay, so as I did this form is not responsive. Okay, so you can learn how to create a responsive form, and then it will adjust to your windows. Okay, yeah. So in the next video, I'll show you how to do the dynamic the connection string data dynamic, and then we can continue from there. So thank you for watching, and then see you in the next video.